Gmail verification code not received. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have a stable internet connection over here. If not your Wi-Fi connection, then make sure that you switch to your cellular data. After that, all you have to do is go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have an updated version of Gmail application. So as you can see, I have an updated version of the application on my device. So I'm going to go back and then tap on my Gmail account, then tap on app info. After going to app info, I'm going to tap on clear data, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. So just tap on clear data, then clear cache, tap on OK. Then tap on app permission and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options required for the application to run properly. And then go back and try to log in and just make it again. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.